Hello and welcome to Prime News. First, a look at the headlines. MOEF decides to revoke suspension of environment clearances of 72 mines in Goa. Union Minister says remaining 30 ECs will be revoked after due process. Big blow to Goa Mining. Parliament Select Committee on MMTR Bill rejects suggestion by Goa Government Committee to submit report on Wednesday. ZP poll preparations almost done. Polling officers, ballot boxes and police force ready for polling on Wednesday. 145 independents and 47 party candidates in fray. ZP member in Maharashtra, almost like a minister for state, has 200 crores at its disposal. Goan ZP still fight for powers, right and authority. And Drishti Life Saving ready to negotiate with its aggrieved lifeguards. Drishti informs High Court lifeguard service comes under ESMA. And now the news in detail. Ministry of Environment and Forest has decided to revoke the suspension of environment and forest clearances of mining leases in Goa. Environment and forest clearances of 139 mining leases were suspended by the Union Minister Jayanti Natarajan. MOEF will revoke the suspension of environment and forest clearances of 72 mining leases. Union Minister Prakash Javadekar informed that remaining 30 environment and forest clearances will be revoked after due process.
Union Ministry of Environment and Forest has decided to revoke suspension of ECs of 72 mining leases, which were suspended in September 2012 by then Minister Jayanti Natarajan.
सस्पेंड किए थे उसको हमने लिफ्ट किया.
उसमें से 72 क्लियर है, 18 are coming in the BSD zone, so it requires Supreme Court clearance. 12 I think fell into the wildlife, so they were cancelled. और forest clearance के कुछ 22 है.
22 है. वो
subject to forest clearance it will be approved.
And now with the court has decided the cap, so within that cap limit we are allowing the production.
Chief Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar said now it's up to miners to resume operations.
जे इसी सस्पेन्शन करपाची जी ऑर्डर जयंती नटराजनाच्या काळान काढलेली ती आज विड्रॉ केल्या. ऑर्डर माझ्या हातान पडूंक ना, पण ऑर्डर इश्यू जाल्या. हांव मिनिस्टराकडे उलयतां.
Assistance schemes for mining affected people will be in force until the actual excavation begins.
मायनिंग सुरू जावनी, मायनिंग सुरू जाल्यानंतर सरकारान इतले हातूनसून जो प्रवास केल्लो आसा की जब्ब करून विथ दीस अवर मायनिंग स्कीम कम टू एन एंड अशें हांव म्हणचो ना. सगळ्यो गोष्टी मार्गाक लागून आनी ताच्या नंतर विड्रॉ करप हें आमच्याच हातान आसा न्ही.
After announcement from the Union Minister and Chief Minister, mining belt went into a celebration mode.
जे कितें मायनिंग आज चालू करपा जाली बाकीचे कितें जें आसा आमकां IBM परमिशन घेवची पडटा आनी कितें जें परमिशन घेवची पडटा तें जाता तितले बेगीन तेणी परमिशन घेवचें, सरकारान घेवचें.
Congress has questioned how can government make such an announcement while ZP poll code of conduct is in force.
I am told that the Chief Minister has announced that this. Has he given you the order? Where is the election code of conduct? As you can see, tomorrow are the elections. Today you are announcing you don't have an order. They are announcing in Delhi, Chief Minister announcing in Goa. This is a mockery of democracy. And this is a mockery of fooling the people. The people should see.
Though CM says that suspension of ECs on 72 mines have been lifted, media had not received an order copy till late night. Following such an order, mining companies will have to obtain NOCs pertaining to the air and water pollution to resume mining operations. Bureau Report, Prudent.
It could be a big blow for Goa mining. The Select Committee on MMDR Bill 2015 did not accept a single suggestion made by Goa government. Lease period of 60 years, dumping outside the lease area, equal validity of captive and non-captive mine leases and other major suggestions have been rejected by the Select Committee. Select Committee will submit its report to the Parliament on Wednesday. Parliament has constituted a select committee to examine provisions in MMDR Act 2015. They had asked for the suggestions from the various mining linked states and stakeholders. Sources informed that 19-member select committee has not accepted a single recommendation made by the Goa government. Goa government had suggested to extend the period of mining leases from 50 years to 60 years. They had also demanded more power to the state government. Similarly, Goa Mineral Ore Exporters Association had suggested to allow dumping of rejection outside the mining lease area. This suggestion has also not been considered by the Select Committee. This has raised concern among the leaseholders. As per the Supreme Court's order, dumping outside the lease area is illegal. Stakeholders suggested not to discriminate captive and non-captive mines with regards to the validity period. The suggestion has also been rejected. Sources informed that the Select Committee has accepted suggestions with regard to the tribal land for mining. Select Committee on MMDR Bill 2015 will submit its report to the Parliament on Wednesday. Reporter Mahesh Ghadi for Prudent. ZP poll preparations are through. Election Commission has sent polling officers and ballot boxes at polling station. EC dispatched ballot boxes and poll-related equipments via Balrath at all polling stations on Tuesday afternoon. Police force has been deployed at polling venues. ZP polls are held on party lines for the first time in Goa. 47 candidates are contesting on party symbol while 145 candidates are contesting as independents. Polling will start on Wednesday morning.
On and on, the arrangement is to see that everything goes peacefully without any chaos. And this time, I'm happy that we have managed to do it that way.
North Goa collector said that extra vigil is being kept in all areas since Monday.
We have been maintaining high vigil since yesterday. That is why our ADMs and executive magistrates have also been deployed right from yesterday onwards, specifically for this purpose, to maintain vigil in the last 24 to 48 hour period. There are of course the excise squads also which are moving around in each taluka. They are also seeing to it that there is no problem and checking whether there is any illicit liquor, etc. Flying squads are there, they are also moving around. Police teams are also on high alert. So the entire machinery has been geared up to see to it that there are no incidents.
Bureau Report, Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.